Welcome to our world's strongest engines, mini blind bags.
Opening.
Opening.
What do we got first?
Victor versus...
Freddy?
Yeah. Victor versus Fred.
And what happens if they lose?
They open the blind bag.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no, Freddy. I'll take care of Freddy. Yeah, Freddy lost.
So he goes in the bucket.
No, he doesn't have to go in the bucket. You can just sit there.
Now we open it. Can I?
Yeah, it's here. Go. Do not cut yourself.
I won't.
I should have got you smaller scissors.
Let's see. We got mini duck.
Let's see.
I knew it.
How did you know?
Because you told me at the store.
I said the number once. Wouldn't you always memorize everything, huh?
Yeah, always. And we have
Great Western Railway. GWR. Oops, I dropped him. Duck, come back. There he is. Hi.
Now we're going to see the collection list.
You want to see the collection paper?
Yeah. Wait. Bob the Builder.
So we got minis, classic, Bob the Builder, animal. And then see all the minis at their, they have a website that we can print it off.
Okay.
So first opening is Bob the Builder stuff. Oh wow. It's actually Bob the Builder people.
Now let's
Are they going to be minis?
Whoa, cool. That's at the front of the set.
No, I think it's a commercial. That's an ad. They have an ad for Bob the Builder in your minis list. Hey, you have that.
Yeah.
Wait, is that the one we have?
Yeah. So, Henry.
Invisible Henry.
Invisible Henry.
So is he going to be all clear?
Yeah.
Duck, Birdie, Salty and James we've already seen. Percy, Victor, Stanley. I love Stanley. Swamp Samson. Look at him. And then you've got Orca Gator. He looks like a whale. See that?
Yeah.
Jellyfish Iron Bert. I think that's going to be my new favorite. Construction Millie, Cheetah Hero, Space Spencer, and Nighttime Emily. Oh, I think I might like Nighttime Emily and Space Spencer too.
Now let's do our next one.
And yeah, these are just ads. Sold separately.
Now, Victor.
So Victor 1.
Yeah. Oh. Now Thomas versus Thomas.
Oopsie.
Go.
Oh no, why are mine all losing?
Okay.
Oops, sorry, Duck.
Now I have to.
Did you put a sticker on Snowy Thomas?
Because
More than one. You've got a Pokemon sticker on him. You've got a bear. And a Santa. What are you doing to your trains? Help me.
Wait a second. This is
Did you cut it properly?
totally gonna be. It's oh cool.
Space Spencer?
Yeah, space.
He looks like a rocket ship.
We got Space Spencer.
And it looks like the NASA symbol. That's cool. But I think it should be Stanley, because do you remember that one video we saw of Stanley goes to space with that little boy?
What?
Do you remember the video we saw of the daddy who put Stanley on a balloon and he went up into the air?
Yeah.
So it should have been Space Stanley.
But it's Space Spencer. Oh, Charlie's so slow.
Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh!
He's fighting them.
Yeah.
Watch out, you're going to get eaten by Pinchy. Pinchy's coming to get you. Oh no.
Punched. Now one of mine guys lost.
Yeah, finally.
But two of yours.
Diesel 10 still looks sneaky. And Pinchy just looks naughty. You gotta work on your cutting. Your cutting's not that good. What? Oh my goodness, it is Invisible Henry.
Invisible.
Wait, where'd he go? He's invisible. I don't see him. Here he is.
He was camouflaged.
Invisible? He looks like a mummy with glasses to me. Oh, do you know why he has to wear sunglasses? Because if you were invisible, you wouldn't have eyelids. Your eyes would get burned from the sunshine. You gotta wear glasses. He's completely see-through. Look at that.
Yeah, I want to see
Cool.
inside his body.
He's
What?
the one screw holding them together, just like everybody else.
Oh my gosh, the body. Have you seen the body?
Well, not when you go that close. You see the body. Who lost? Charlie. Can you pass me Charlie?
Charlie was on mine.
I know. But your next one.
Now, Diesel and Gator. Diesel and Flynn. I hope we get Monster someone.
The baby sister's not doing happy right now. So we got Flynn.
And Racing Diesel.
Racing Diesel? That's cheating. He's a racer. Okay, ready?
Go!
Racing Diesel, you're alive.
Out. Now who's the Racing Diesel?
We'll find out. You're okay, little sister. Jeez. I'm setting up the next race so you can do your cutting. Did you? Whoa, whoa. So no. Let me show you how to cut.
So, let's see for this. She's a hero.
Yeah, it's Hero.
Cheetah.
And he's a cheetah. He goes on top of Diesel. There we go. Who's next?
Choo-choo. And
Victor versus Thomas covered in stickers.
go. Oh my gosh.
They cheated.
Oh!
Well, I guess Victor won.
Yes, Victor did one. Let's see who's in Thomas. Let me see who's in Thomas. Luke.
Tootsie Roll Pop. Yeah, it's Luke. Wow, this is a very bright green compared to what he normally is, huh?
Yeah.
It reminds me of a tennis ball. There you go.
We only have 40 more.
So Victor survived. Next is Diesel 10 versus Flynn.
Victor in the quarterfinals.
Oh no, that'll be the finals. This is the semifinals. Ready?
You will face Victor in the semifinals.
In the finals. This is the semifinals now. That will be the final.
You will face Victor in the final.
That's right.
Flynn or Diesel 10.
Okay,
Go.
you ready? Oh, you cheated! Oh, Diesel. Does Diesel 10 have a sticker?
Yeah. Let me see who's going to start Flynn. Okay. We have Thomas.
Thomas? Fruit Shoes Thomas. He's blue raspberry flavored. Tootsie? Hello, Thomas.
I never saw the Thomas like that.
I like his white wheels. That's kind of fun. Oh, and the white detailed paint. I like it.
Mommy.
Here you
Victor's
go.
your side. Victor's your side.
Victor. He's been winning. He's going to win against Diesel 10 and Pinchy.
No.
No, you don't think so?
On marks, get set, go.
Come on. Boo. Boo, Diesel 10. Boo.
Mario.
The Diesel 10 winner, who won?
Emily.
Oh, Nighttime Emily. She's purple. In the picture, it looked a little bit more blue. That's really nice. With bright yellow moon wheels.
One.
Hi, Emily.
This is
She's the winner.
Jack.
Jellyfish Ironbird. Sodor Ironworks. Oopsie, come here, you. Oh my goodness, it's hot pink. I love it. Hot pink and like a very deep, like, what is that? A blue? Cobalt blue, maybe? With hot pink around his face. Oh, this is the best. This is my favorite one so far of all of them. What do you think?
It's okay.
So Emily won with Diesel 10. Boo. Who else is there? Who's your favorite?
My favorite. It is Duck,
Duck?
Spencer, and Invisible Henry.
An invisible with glasses and a mummy face. It's kind of weird.
Those are only.
Jellyfish is my favorite. Look at the jellies. Awesome. And the winner, Emily. Thanks for watching.
Bye for not bye for now. Now.
Bye for now.
Now.
Oh, you're gonna show this? Okay, now bye for now. Say bye for now.
Bye for now.